Rolling. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm here to teach you an easy, funky bass line for beginners. It's really great because it helps you work articulation, it helps you work with the length of the notes, and of course, a little bit of technique with your left hand. So it's pretty easy to play. Let me do this a little slower and show you what I'm doing with my left hand so you can follow. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna start from my 6th fret. Now I'm gonna start with my 2nd finger because what I wanna do is have the position that starts on the 5th fret. So I have each finger get its own fret. So we have 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then I'm gonna start with the first bar. It's all 8th notes. Pretty simple. Now we're gonna get to the second part. Got this little vibrato here. All you have to do is just kind of shake your middle finger if you need to have the first, the index finger to help it out. You can have it right there. So that's the first part. Again, slowly. Then we're getting to the second part of the bar. Starts from the same place, but instead of going to that octave, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the major third with our index finger. And then we go chromatically up. Same vibrato with your index finger this time. You can do it with your middle finger too. I like to do it with my index finger so I can get a little bit more oomph to it. And then instead of completing this to the octave, we're actually going to the root note below. Again. And then this whole thing in a cycle. What I'm doing with my right hand, meanwhile, is I'm playing the notes very staccato. That means that the notes are very short. So I'm playing it like this. Now, the way that I'm making those notes short is that I'm actually playing with my 2 fingers rotating, right? Now, as soon as I'm hitting a note, what I'm going to do is place my next finger so I can stop the string and actually mute it. And then for this part, you can see that I'm adding this little sort of vibrato into it, so it gets this kind of like funky tone into it. This little articulation really goes far when you play. So that's it. Thanks for tuning in. You've got this play along that you can play with right after we finish this video, so have fun playing it, practice it. A little tip is if this is a little too fast for you, what you can do is actually go to the YouTube settings, put it on 0.75 or even 0.5 if you need. It's going to save the same pitch, and then you can practice it from a little slower, getting it to higher. And this is really the secret of playing faster on bass. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, feel free to subscribe to my channel. We're going to have a bunch of these coming out very soon. And happy playing!